Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun and the third largest planet in the solar system. Although this planet shines in the night sky with the naked eye, it is often mistaken for a star due to its slow orbit and faint brightness. What does the planet Uranus symbolize? Frederick William Herschel, an astronomer, discovered Uranus with his telescope in 1781, making it the first planet to be observed through a telescope in the modern scientific era. Initially, Herschel thought he was looking at a star or a comet, but the observations of other astronomers, particularly Johann Alert Bode in the late 1700s, confirmed the existence of Uranus. This was the first time a planet was named after a Greek myth, as the other planets had been named after Roman mythology. How did Uranus form? Uranus formed about 4.5 billion years ago. After the Sun formed, gravity caused gas and dust to coalesce, leading to the formation of this ice giant. Like its neighbor Neptune, Uranus likely formed closer to the Sun and was then migrated to the outer solar system about 4 billion years ago. Characteristics of the planet Uranus. More than 80% of the mass of this planet is composed of icy materials such as water, methane, and ammonia. Here, ice does not have its usual meaning. It refers to a compressed mixture of watery substances. In the innermost part of Uranus lies a small rocky core, with temperatures reaching up to 4,982 degrees Celsius. Much of Uranus' atmosphere consists of hydrogen and helium, with some traces of methane. In fact, the greenish-blue color of Uranus comes from the presence of methane in its atmosphere. Although Uranus is not the farthest planet from the Sun, it has the coldest atmosphere among these planets, due to its low internal heat and limited solar heat compensation. Seasons on Uranus. 1 Uranian year is equivalent to 84 Earth years. For about a quarter of the year, the Sun shines directly on one of the poles, while the other pole experiences a long winter darkness. How many moons does Uranus have? Uranus has 27 confirmed moons. All the moons are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare or the poet Alexander Pope. Uranus's rings. Scientists have discovered a total of 13 rings around Uranus. Based on a study in 2016, the rings of Uranus, Saturn, and Neptune are likely remnants of dwarf planets similar to Pluto that fell into the gravitational grip of these planets long ago. Journey to Uranus. So far, only one spacecraft has visited Uranus, the Voyager 2 probe, launched from Earth in 1977 and arriving at this ice giant in 1986. Voyager 2 discovered 10 moons and 2 new ring systems for Uranus during this mission. The importance of studying Uranus lies in the many mysteries it holds, such as mysterious X-ray emissions. Additionally, the planet Uranus can provide various clues to scientists regarding the discovery of exoplanets, as many discovered worlds beyond the solar system have been Neptune and Uranus-sized planets. Why does Uranus rotate almost on its side? Uranus rotates at an angle of 98 degrees to its orbital axis. This characteristic makes Uranus a unique planet that rotates on its side. Planets such as Earth, Mars, and Saturn have an axial tilt of about 25 degrees, while gas giants like Jupiter and Mercury have little or no tilt. However, Uranus is the only planet in the solar system that rotates on its side. The most common explanation for Uranus' tilt is that it likely collided with a protoplanet the size of Earth during its formation. If such a collision occurred, it would have undoubtedly altered Uranus' rotation orbit.